In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Wix Chat. Whether you're a business owner or a website enthusiast looking to add live chat functionality to your Wix site, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to help you connect with your visitors more effectively. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. Once there, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on Add Apps. This is your gateway to a plethora of features that can amplify the effectiveness of your website. In the search bar, simply type in Wix Chat. As you enter the letters, you'll notice options start to appear, guiding you towards selecting the correct application. Once the Wix Chat app appears, click on it to open more details about what it offers. This will lead you to the Add button, which you should click to integrate Wix Chat into your site setup. After doing this, you'll notice Wix Chat is now part of your site's functionality, ready to optimize visitor interaction. With Wix Chat added to your website, the next step is adjusting the settings to align with your needs and preferences. To do this, select Wix Chat from your site dashboard and then hit Settings. These settings are crucial. They dictate how the chat functions on your site and what kind of interaction your visitors can experience. Following this, click on Manage Chat. This feature is essential as it allows you to control how you communicate with those visiting your site. From here, you can delve into response templates, automated greetings, and decide the conversational tone that best suits your brand or message. Next, let's jump into handling the aesthetics and functionality by clicking on Display. This option allows you to determine where and how the chat window shows up on your site. You have the power to position it in a way that complements your website layout. Now it's time to focus on the design aspect by clicking on Design. This lets you personalize your chat's visual appeal, maintaining consistency with your branding. Customize colors, fonts, and sizes to ensure your chat window feels like a seamless part of your site. Once your design looks spot on, move on to the Text option. This section lets you tailor the wording used in your chat interface, providing a consistent and unique voice that represents your brand values and customer service approach. Finally, click on Chat Form. This component enables you to collect valuable information from your visitors before they begin chatting. So decide on the necessary fields, whether it's just a name and email or more detailed information. It's crucial this form is concise and respectful of your visitors' time. And there you have it, Wix Chat, fully set up and customized for your site. With these steps, you'll be able to engage and interact with your site visitors like never before. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.